Charlie, no, honey.
Hey, baby. Kate. What are you doing, baby?
Wake up. You wake up, sweetheart.
Tickle her right here.
Up, 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 up.
She's ticklish.
Yeah.
She is.
Philip straight.
No noise.
She's falling asleep again.
Well, she must not be hungry.
She
She
wakes
must
up
be
for about
full.
5 seconds.
Wake up, baby girl.
Said I want to.
As soon as I turn it off, she'll open her eyes.
And cover her. That's
Look at
what
those
she
feet.
doesn't like.
That's a cute outfit.
She does have the feet.
Get agitated with me.
Leave me alone. Mama. Mama. What a mean mama.
Sweetheart. Come on, wake
She's
open
moving
those
everything
eyes.
but her eyes.
Open those eyes up.
Catherine. Hey. Catherine.
Oh.
Hey, sweetie. Hey, Cater. You
Poor
open your
Charlie.
eyes.
Wants to be a part of
You
it.
gonna open your eyes? You're gonna start crying. Is mommy making you mad?